Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make yakisoba. For the ingredients you will need 1 pack of yakisoba noodles, any protein that you would like to use. You can use tofu, chicken, beef, shrimp, whatever you like. I'm using tofu. You will need cabbage or half a cabbage, carrots, 1 whole onion, and some mushrooms. Start by shredding the carrots with a shredder. And then set aside. Next, peel your onion and then cut in half. Go ahead and cut them into thin slices. And then set aside for later. Get your cabbage and then cut it in half. I'm going to remove the core and then chop them up into thin slices. If you're working with tofu, go ahead and open up the package and remove the excess water. Pat dry it, and then you're going to cut them into cubes. Set aside and make sure that you have washed your mushrooms thoroughly. You're going to cut them into thin slices. Heat up a pan with oil to medium heat. First put in the onions and then saute for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then add in the tofu. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. If the noodles you bought did not come with the seasoning, you can also buy the yakisoba sauce separately at the grocery store. Go ahead and mix it until it is combined and then add in the shredded carrots. Next, add in the mushrooms. Mix well, making sure to add the seasoning or sauce as you are cooking. Finally, add in the cabbage. Make sure everything is mixed well and seasoned. Get a pot of water, add in the yakisoba noodles, and bring to a boil. Drain the noodles and then add the noodles to the pot of yakisoba. Add some more seasoning and then mix well. Next, I am going to cook a sunny side up egg so that I could top it off on my yakisoba. I'm going to season it with black pepper and Maggi seasoning sauce. When the egg is ready, I'm going to remove it from the heat and add it to the yakisoba plate. Finally, I'm going to add the QP Japanese mayo and sriracha hot sauce. And that is all. I hope you enjoy.